World Supreme G20 Summit to take place in Guwahati from March 13 to 15, 2023. 524 cases of COVID-19 rises in India on March 12. The World Supreme G20 Summit, that is Supreme Audit Institutions Meet, to take place in Guwahati city from March 13 to 15, 2023. This meet will be focusing on blue economy and responsible artificial intelligence. Delegates from G20 member countries will be attending this meeting, along with the guest countries and other international organizations would also attend the SAI G20 event at Guwahati city. Australia, Brazil, Egypt, Indonesia, Oman, the Republic of Korea, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Turkey and the UAE are the countries going to attend this meet. The Controller and Auditor General of India, that is CAG of India, proposed a collaboration of the SAI G20 engagement group on two observation areas, blue economy and responsible artificial intelligence, under the guiding principle for India's G20 presidency, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is one earth, one family and one future. It is the highest honor and the proud moment for the Assam state being a gateway of India to host such great international events. International News Desk Report, Karbi Daily News. 524 cases of COVID-19 rises again in India on March 12. The world was injected with coronavirus in 2019. The world fell sick. Many lost their lives, but the world fought against the disease and got rid of it anyhow. But the fight is still on. India reported with 524 new coronavirus cases after a gap of 113 days, while the active cases rose to 3,618 according to the Union Health Ministry data updated today, that is on March 12, 2023. As per Health Ministry, the national COVID-19 recovery rate has been recorded at 98.80%. According to the ministry's website, so far approximately 220.64 crore people have been vaccinated of COVID-19 vaccine so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Every human being needs to prevent himself by following those safety rules of the coronavirus. National News Desk Report, Karbi Daily News.